Alright, it's 53X sbkid504 with the unboxing of the Tritton Ax Pros. Here they are. The Tritton Ax Pros. Just got them. Ordered off Amazon. Took a while to get here. Not long, 4 days. Ordered them off Circuit City on Amazon. It was the cheapest one. $54. So, should I unbox it? So there's a box, inside of a box, inside of a box. There they are, Tritton Ax Pros. Before I get to this, I'm going to see what's in this box. Ooh. This box, removable air cups. I'm going to wind up using these leather air cups because the mesh air cups make my ears itch. I think I'm allergic because on my Turtle Beaches, they really made me itch really bad. Here's a mic. It's removable. Now we have 3 more boxes. In this box, it's the USB cable for PS3 chat, since I have a PS3, so I'm going to be using, and the audio cable for digital audio. You want to have the analog audio if you gaming on PC, or you just use the analog audio. This is for the Xbox 360. To plug into your controller for Xbox Live Chat. Inside of this box, you have the power cable. Now this is one weird looking power cable, but from watching other reviews and everything, I've noticed that there's an attachment which is in this box. This is the power cable, which attached to this is the whatever it is. It's attached to the power cable, like so. Like to the headphones. We'll all start the room. The Tritton Ax Pros. Oh my gosh, these things feel good. They use them. This with the mesh. Right now they have the mesh ear covers on, all soft and stuff. Remember, guys, 4 speakers in each ear cup. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really nice. Let's take this back off. This cap off. Oh, I'll get it off later in the video. It's taking too long. Alright. Before I get to the rest of the headset, manual. Stop. If you're experiencing any setup or mechanical problems with this product, alright, it says return to the retailer. Alright, I'll go to the manual. Gives you a quick setup for the Xbox 360. This is Xbox 360, and at the right here, first demo, you can get a quick setup for the PS3. Here's the manual. It's not really that thick. It's just in a bunch of different languages. English, French, Spanish, and Dutch. Manual. Get this out the way. It's getting kind of messy. Here's the decoder box. Right in the decoder box, there's for the mic for PlayStation Network. If you're doing the Xbox 360, there's a Xbox live chat, whatever it's called, right here. These are to connect. This way you connect your controllers, your headsets to the PS3. This way you connect audio. On the side of the box, there's volume. There's the time delay. Change it back to analog if you want. If you don't want Dolby Digital surround sound, you want stereo sound. Right here shows you what you're in. There's your surround sound, PLDCR. This is the analog. If you don't want to if you want to just play on analog, you can just use these. But you can also, this is what you use. This is the headset. Again, the headset. Right here is your where you make most of your adjustments. You can change each of these individually. So if you want more bass, you want to hear that grenade blow up in your ears, you want to hear it boom in your ears. You want to hear that sound? Adjust your sub, put it on. You raise the volume on your sub. It's a clicker. It's not a wheel. So you just set up notches on the back. Red, max. Cayenne, high, white, medium, blue, low, green, minimum. It's really low. You chill out, just want that surround sound, not all that noise. So use your center, your rear, your front. If you want to hear somebody sneaking up behind you, since you can't see them, you might want to tone that up a little bit. Those footsteps behind you, in front, in the center. It's the mic mute, mic volume, or chat volume. Right here, this is, these two connect together, like so. Line these up. Oh, I'm tripping. Oh, wrong side, there we go. Line these two up. It's a quick release. Just wear your headsets without everything coming with you. Quick release. Or in case you forget you have the headsets on, it's quick release. Pull it off like so. The cable's really long. Nice. And I'm gonna have a setup video after this video is over. So once I set it up, I'll be back, y'all.